Hey guys, it's Drew Mead from MarineMax at Bald Ridge Marina on Lake Lanier. I'm standing on a 2025 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. Want to start off by pointing out the thing's powered with a Mercury 60 horse 4-stroke. Plenty of power to shoot you across the lake. This is one of my favorite boats. Boston Whaler's Montauk series is one of the best. I think it's a ton of fun for family outings, fishing, going to the beach, hanging out with the dogs, whatever you're doing. The back of the boat has the fishing live well package. This also doubles as a cooler. You can throw drinks and ice in there, or you can run your live well, keep your bait fresh and ready for a day of fishing. You do have rod holders back here in the back, so if you wanted to run a spread, you could do that. The rod holders do have areas for your pliers or your fishing knife, however you want to set up your spread. You've got some rear-facing holders there. As you can see, the bimini top is up in this arrangement, but the bimini is collapsible, so if you want a day in the sun, you can have that too. Moving ahead to the helm here, the boat is equipped with a Simrad multifunction display. So you have your chart plotter. The boat does have a nice depth sounder on it. You can also pair your phone to the JL audio sound system. You can run Bluetooth connection as well. You can control your phone on the screen here, so super easy to play DJ for the day if you want. Mercury does have their multifunction display here at the dash. So you've got an LCD screen that displays all the data about your 60 horse. So from the helm station, you got everything you need. You've got a compass, you've got your multifunction Simrad display, your JL audio sound system, and your Mercury tachometer there. So moving up to the bow, the boat does have a cooler that doubles as a seat. So this is really nice. If you want to take the cushions off and have a messy day of fishing, you can do that. They just snap off and snap in, so really easy. The front bow area serves as a great casting platform. The boat is super stable, so you can stand on any corner of this boat and fish, whether you're running it as a pair or with 3 people. Under my feet here is an anchor locker. As you can see, I've got the drain pulled out of it now, so when I get on plane, all that water runs out of there. If you want to store your anchor in there, you can put the drain plug in place, which will make that a dry storage locker, or you can run it like I'm doing now with the drain plug out. If you guys would like to learn more about this boat, come see us at Bald Ridge Marina. And again, my name is Drew Mead. Looking forward to meeting you. Thank you.